An edge-to-edge screen protector and ultra slim case? Let's check them out. Dave Taylor here, and it's pretty crummy weather out, so it's a perfect day to put a new screen protector on my iPhone XS. Luckily, I have just that. I have a screen protector and an ultra slim case from Totallee, and I like their name, it's kind of fun. So let's start with having a quick look at what's in both boxes. So the case comes in a Ziploc bag, and you take it out, and this is going to be really astonishing, it is a really slim case. So we'll put that aside, and we're going to focus on putting on the screen protector. Now, this is an edge-to-edge screen protector, and it's case-friendly, HD clarity with tempered glass and 9H hardness. So let's see what they put in the box here. So, comes with an alcohol prep pad, and it looks like there's a lint-free cloth behind it. So we'll take those out. We'll need those. And then there's actually the screen protector itself. What isn't in here is there isn't any sort of guide unit. So this is one of the trends in screen protectors now, is that companies sell them and they actually have like a little plastic device that you put around your phone to make sure you get it perfectly centered. Now, the company says that it's super easy to do and you'll get it right the first time anyway. In fact, here are the installation instructions. It's 3 very simple steps, starting with wipe the screen clean with the alcohol prep pad. All right? And it says for external use only. How would you use this internally? That doesn't make sense, but I guess, you know, lawyers and all that, you have to put little disclaimers on things. So take out this teeny tiny little thing, and this always reminds me of like the little wet naps you have when you go on barbecue or something. So we'll clean my phone screen nice and clean. And here's something they don't tell you, but I will tell you. Always wash your hands with soap just before you start this process, because you'd be surprised that your finger oils can end up in bad places and get in the way of having a screen protector go on. Now we have the microfiber cloth, and that's to get rid of any excess dust or moisture. And hopefully when I'm done with this, everything should be beautiful and spotlessly clean and no dust. And as long as none of my cats attack while I'm doing this, we'll be good. I'll have a quick look here, and that looks pretty darn good. So next step is to take the mask out of the bag, and here it is. And obviously it peels off, right? You can see that it comes off the backing, and then this is going to be the outside, and the part that's against the backing is going to be against your phone. There's also a tiny notch, and that goes on the top, so that's going to be our alignment point. So I'm going to take this off of its backing, and it's a nice looking screen protector, and then we're just going to have it nice and centered. Whoops, I see a bit of dust there. Let's see, I think we're good otherwise. And center the whole thing, basically trying to get it exactly over the notch. And then what's fun about all these adhesives is basically once it touches this phone surface, it actually does all the adhesion all by itself. So I'm actually done with this process, so we can move all this stuff out of the way because this is done. And it'll just take a couple of seconds for it to finish up, and I can hasten that along a little bit with our little cloth. And basically, let's see, we're getting there. You know, there's always a little bit of pushing the air bubbles to the edges sort of thing. That's very much expected, but let's see, it's getting there. And some of these I've actually used where it takes a few minutes to do a full adhesion, which is kind of interesting. But this one looks like we're almost there already. And a couple more bits on the side. And I think we have a pretty decent case here, or screen protector. So you can see here, and as with any of these, there's really no sense that you have a screen protector on, which is great. So we're done. And this screen protector has a money-back guarantee and a 2-year warranty. So a year from now, if this thing cracks, I can email the company and say, guys, dude, 2-year warranty, and they'll send me a new one. It's pretty nice, right? And I'll get to the price in the very end of this, but before we do that, let's go ahead and look at how this case works. And the case is super duper slim. In fact, it's called the Ultra Slim case, and you could hear it clicked a little bit there. It is a very snug fit, and it is also a very thin fit. This is called Ultra Slim. It is 0.02 inches thick. There is no bezel protection. There's no nothing. This is a minimalist case. This is for the person who doesn't want to have a case but wants to have a little scratch protection on the back. It also clearly does not protect your phone at all in terms of the camera, but that's okay, because for a lot of people that's exactly what they want. Well, actually no, I guess there's a little bit of a raised lip over the front of the phone camera. You can see in this close-up what that looks like. Comes in 8 different colors. This is black, but it comes in red, white, gray, and there's a whole bunch of other ones you can check out on their website. So let's talk about prices, because now I have this nice phone screen protector. There we go. And I also have this extremely slim case. And I'll be honest with you, I'm going to replace this with a heavier case because I do drop my phone on occasion, and this is going to do nothing to protect my phone. But if you're the kind of person that wants your phone to not have a case, and I actually kind of cringe whenever I see people that don't have cases, it's like, oh, protect your phone, they're so expensive. But, you know, your choice. This is a nice compromise where you have a little edge and back scratch protection, but it's really not going to add any thickness at all, and that's really great. So before we get to price, let me ask if you can click on that subscribe button. Really appreciate when you subscribe to my channel. And if you are one of those people that doesn't use a case with your phone, tell me why. In the comments, tell me why you don't like using a case. I'm really curious. I just don't get it. So, all right. Now, the Totallee iPhone XS edge-to-edge screen protector is $25 at Amazon.com, and the Ultra Slim case is $28.97 at Amazon.com. But here's the thing. Instead of Amazon, if you buy it from their website and you sign up for their mailing list, you can get a 20% off discount, so that makes these even more affordable. So either way, I like what I have on my phone here. I think the screen protector is a winner, although I still have a couple of spots I'm going to need to work out. And this case, if you are looking for the minimalist case, this is your case. This is really nice. And I've seen some people have said that it doesn't fit snugly on the phone. I have no idea what they're talking about. This thing is like just absolutely hugging the phone in all possible dimensions, and it's not going to come off unless I pry it off. So that's all good. Anyway, I'm going to get back to getting rid of those last couple of air spots, and that means I'll catch you in my next video.